here when you get rid of all your burning bush, which is so cool. And you've got, what'd you say, 180 feet?
180 feet.
That's incredible. So then we talked about, okay, do you want one of the same thing all the way down, or do you want mix it up? Do you want to group things? And there's no right answer. But I'm going to throw out some names for you to look into, okay? So you're interested in the native plants, so I'm just going to throw out some of those in particular. So, and then you can see, do these make sense? Smaller ones I would group, so if you're talking about like a Fothergilla, which off the top of my head, maybe 6 to 8 feet tall and wide, maybe put like 3 together, 2 or 3 together. So that's one option. Red twig dogwood, red osier, that gets kind of big also. Spice bush, those get 8 to 12, excuse me. So that's like, or 10 to 12. So that's like one of those maybe. Winter berries, male, female for the berries. Button bush, those also could get kind of tall. 9 barks, those can get big. Okay, big. So those are all native. Then there's like ivory halo dogwood. Those get immense. Dappled willow, immense. Okay, when I say immense, I'm like 15 feet sometimes wide, So like that would really fill in. You're going to gain so much space when you go. So then it's about, looking into these plants. But taking this, if you get all of it at once, and then of course goes all the way down to the driveway. So options include, if you can afford it, remove them all at once.
Okay.
That's a big deal. Then you're naked over here. Or
Eek.
take it in chunks, and if you're doing it yourself, you're cutting, and you're either leaving the stumps, of course they'll resprout, but you can just cut off the new stuff every so often, until you have enough stumps to then rent a stump grinder. You could also, like cut and then keep cutting the new stuff, or put a plastic bag on top, or you could even cut and treat to, really get, but then you have these stumps around everywhere. So, anyway, I would take like one section at a time, unless you can manage to do it all at once. And then in the front, it's something solid and visual barrier quickly is the green giant. So I think we settled on 6 of those. Again, not too close to the property line. And get those in ASAP. Like, have them lined up.
Yep.
Before you get rid of the other things, before the burning bush, because they come right in. And then the key thing is, because you're gaining so much space, you want to put the wood chips right in.
Okay.
To suppress the weeds, because right now it's dark in there. You're not getting any weeds. As soon as you open it up, the sun gets in there,